And again.
And again. So stick with us. We are deep inside the old town. Some of it's been refurbed and some of it hasn't. And there's a few works of art around. In fact, there's one just up there on top of the building. Have a look at that. And that's the kind of thing that makes the old town of Paphos something special and something very, very unique indeed. On top of that, we've got great weather, and on top of all of that, we've got that. The only place in the world where you're going to find Misoching Receiver booth this week is in downtown Paphos. Yeah. So we'll wiggle and we'll waggle. There's some shops being refurbished. When all of this is done, I do believe that Paphos is going to come back better and stronger than it has ever been before. It's going to truly embrace the cafe society. You can see there's cafes opening absolutely everywhere. There's gift shops extraordinaire. There's children's clothes shops. There's boutiques. Boutiques is a bad thing for me because obviously I've got one of them, which is an Misoching Receiver booth. Who likes to spend.
The uptown Paphos now becomes more and more unusual for us. You're making me busy.
Well, I'm hoping to keep you away from the boutiques. So stick with us. We're going for a wiggle and a waggle. We're back into the one-way street system. This street takes you all the way down to, well, Town of Paphos if you want, or it wiggles and waggles around into the right, into the car parks and all the other shops in the old town. A great place to receive the booth. I found something. What have you found, receiving? There we are.
You remember me and Caroline and Nigel? I tried her hat.
Is it?
Yeah.
So is this that shop?
Yeah.
So we're going to have a mosey on down. We're going to have a mosey on down. We're going for a mosey on down in the shop. We have met this lady before, so let's have a quick look in here for that. Some true art in here, that's for sure. Look at that. A shop full of art. If you go hunting back through some of our old videos, that's the smile. A great friend of Miss Avie's. So we found her shop in the old town of Paphos. She told us one day when we find her to come and have a mosey on down. So we are going to have a mosey on down. All handmade crafted, true works of art. Absolutely spectacular. Some of these things could be the ideal gift for the loved one in your life, or that special person. What a great shop indeed. We've stumbled upon something very special. Have a look at that. There we are. Receiver booth is about to try and extract some of my money by the looks of it. You like that one, do you, Receiver booth? Extraordinary. How much is it, Receiver booth? Go and see if you can negotiate a good discount, and she might get it. You never know. It is getting colder. We are in the winter season now, shall we say? Look at some of these handbags. Very nice indeed. I think this is the kind of shop that I could spend quite a lot of money on Misoching Receiver booth. There's another one of those wraparound shawls. And there's some smaller, lesser gifts. It's still very special indeed. There we are. She's found something else now. How much is that? There's the price. There's the price. The price is on the back. How much is that?
It's 70 euros.
It doesn't seem too bad considering the amount of work that's gone into it. Where's the wraparound shawl gone?
What?
The wraparound shawl that you were trying.
It was there.
Right.
This is very nice.
Here we are.
Unusual.
Very unusual indeed. So great shop, full of unusual gifts, that's for sure. Look at that. There's many more. So I say, if you go hunting back through our previous videos, we went to the promenade on one of these special occasions, one of the festival nights. We met this lady, and she was displaying some of her wares along with Miss Evie from the Pumpkin House. Receiver the booth, found another one.
It's
They're quite
actually
thick, are they?
hand. Yes, it's warm.
Yeah,
It's warm.
quite thick. Fascinating.
It's all different.
All different.
Because of course,
All one-offs.
she makes it
Yeah,
in
they're
every
all one-offs.
part, every single thing. It's not looking like each other.
They're all one-offs, that's for sure. So come and say the name of the shop outside, Receiver. Let's go and have a look and see what the name of the shop actually is. Hold on a second. Let's scan across the top of it. There it is. And everything is handmade. And there's our opening times. And there's a contact number 99826 910. She's a lovely lady with a great smile indeed. Lucille LeBouf is modelling again. That's quite a nice hat, to be honest. Yeah, it is a very nice hat indeed.
Amazing.
Yeah.
It's extraordinary. You see, I would put it like that.
So, without trying to scare the boys, Jeremy, Simon, we're expecting you very soon. As you've noticed, we found you a nice little boutique with handmade items. So the price has gone up that little bit, shall we say. Let's just mount these stairs and try and scan and capture the spectacality of this shop. Have a look at that. If you'd like to be. There we are. This lady has popped in and bought some special gifts. There we are.
Thank you.
And there's Lucille LeBouf wandering around again, thinking how much money can she spend of mine, as usual. I thought that shawl that you put on was really nice. I don't like the colour. I like the style, but I don't think I like the colours of that one. But very good for when I send you back to Mongolia, especially this time of year. Put the sunglasses on. There we are. That's it. Yes. We'll send her all the way back to Armenia, where we got her from in the first place. There we are. Right. It could be time to leave. Absolute stars amongst stars. I'll just go and thank this lady. Thank you very much for your participation. And thank you, and we'll come and see you again. We'll come and see you again. They are stars amongst stars, that's for sure. Receive LeBouf. Oh, she's now gone all French on us. There we are. You're all French now.
I like how you beret.
Beret, all French, yes.
Yeah.
Very je ne sais quoi.
Nice.
Yes, very nice indeed. Right, come on, Receive LeBouf. It's time. First openly. And we're off. We're going to get down this street, that's for sure. That was a lucky escape for me. I got away without spending a single penny. I was lucky.
I
was lucky.
No, I mean, you know, there are sort of things that you will not see on anyone else. The same thing, but at the same time, you have to be ready to pay enough. It's not cheap. But if you want to be that exclusively alone,
Unique. So, Jeremy, Simon, we know you're coming out soon, so don't forget to pack those few extra euros, because guess what? There's a shop very similar to that up in Iron After as well that I spotted when we were travelling around out of the corner of my eye. They make one-off clothing creations, as they said, and the starting figures are around about 100 euros. Let's go that away. Come on, Receive LeBouf. It's getting quite busy in downtown Paphos on a Saturday. Have a look at that. Everyone's cramming in, and they're going to pop in and go around all the shops. And of course, they're open till most of the shops in the Old Town will close at around 1 o'clock, and then they will not reopen again until Monday. She likes that shop as well. Another fashion boutique. So, perhaps it was the wrong place to come to today, the Old Town on a Saturday morning. Beautiful November morning, absolutely spectacular. And I think it's that time for watching Grisevia LaBouffe to give us that very, very, very good goodbye.
Well, let me do it in a nice place.
Oh no, another boutique. Where are you going, Grisevia LaBouffe?
I like those bags. I like everything. I like. Don't scare the boys. I would like to tell you many, many thanks for watching. It was amazing, that shop, and I really, really fell in love with a few pieces of that work of art. And I would like to tell you again and again how much we love you. And don't forget to come and see another of our mattresses.
What's left for me to say is thanks for watching. Of course, if you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and please come back for a little bit more of our madness. Or you can go through to our About page and consider buying us a cup of coffee or a can of Coke. It's entirely up to you. Thanks for watching. One last look at the most beautiful woman in the world in downtown Paphos, Cyprus, Island of Love. Grisevia LaBouffe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.